Your "I study but can't remember anything" problem? It starts with not understanding how your brain works. Learning isn't about cramming information in. It's about changing how your brain's circuits connect and function. Once you understand this difference, the way you learn will change at its core. Science consistently shows three methods that enhance memory retention: spaced practice, retrieval practice, and sleep. Today, let's explore how the brain truly learns. Use this knowledge, and your learning will transform. The human brain contains an estimated 86 billion neurons. Neurons connect to each other through junctions called synapses. When you learn, the way these connections work and communicate changes. Every time you repeat something, those circuits become easier to activate. This is called Hebb's law. It's a theory proposed by psychologist Donald Hebb in 1949. Neurons that fire together, wire together. This phrase was later summarized by neuroscientist Carla Schatz. It's one of the foundational principles for understanding how learning works. Every time you revisit the same information, that neural circuit becomes more deeply reinforced. Forgetting isn't failure. Your brain is simply deciding what's important and what isn't. In 1885, Hermann Ebbinghaus used nonsense syllables in experiments to map how forgetting progresses. Memories formed right after learning fade significantly within the first 24 hours. However, how quickly you forget depends on the content and how you learned it. But here's where you can turn it around. The act of recalling something when you're on the verge of forgetting it is especially powerful for strengthening memory. This is called the testing effect. Numerous studies support its effectiveness. Instead of just rereading, make retrieval practice the core of your review. The quality of your review sessions will improve dramatically. Let's put brain-based learning into action with 3 steps. Step 1. Spaced practice. Instead of cramming in one session, break your learning into shorter sessions spread over time. Research consistently shows this makes information stick better. Step 2. Retrieval practice. Practice pulling information from memory. Write it out on a blank page or work through problems. This act of retrieval strengthens memory far more than simply rereading. Especially now, don't just read AI summaries and call it done. Recalling and explaining things in your own words is what matters. Step 3. Make sleep part of your learning. Aim for 7 or more hours for adults and 8 to 10 hours for teenagers. During sleep, new memories are reactivated and become more stable over the long term. Before bed in particular, avoiding bright light and caffeine makes it easier to get the quality sleep your learning needs. These 3 steps are the foundation of your learning. There are just 4 things you can start today. First, write out everything you learned today on a blank page for 5 minutes. Second, schedule time to recall it the next day, 3 days later, and 1 week later. These days, AI apps can even predict the optimal review timing tailored specifically to you. Find the pace that works for you. Third, break your study sessions into shorter chunks. Fourth, get 7 or more hours of sleep if you're an adult, or 8 to 10 hours if you're a teenager. No special tools required. Simply staying conscious of these 4 things makes it easier to boost your learning efficiency. If you've been feeling like you can't retain anything, the problem may be your method. Change the system, and your learning changes with it. Of the steps we covered today, which one do you most want to try first? Tell me what you think in the comments. Your words might be the spark that transforms someone else's learning. Thanks for watching all the way to the end today. On this channel, I take the science of learning, habits, and productivity and translate it into concrete, actionable steps you can use starting tomorrow. Every method I share is backed by science, not just theory. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's design your growth together. See you in the next one.